Children, let us continue the chapter Lines and Angles. That is about transversal. What is transversal? And also different angles made by the transversal. A line which intersect two or more lines at distinct points is called transversal. Here, what is transversal? It is a line which intersect two or more lines at distinct point. Here there are two lines M and N, and one more line is there, that is L. And when this line, the line L, intersect the line M and N, two different points at P and Q. The line L intersect M at P and N at Q. So this one single line which intersect two different lines is called transversal. So what is transversal? It is a line which intersect two or more lines at distinct point is called transversal. Here what is transversal? L is transversal. L is transversal which intersect the line M at P and N at Q. Here the line intersect M and N at two different points. So the line L is called transversal. The line L is called transversal. Now here the line L intersect the line M and N at two different points, and at P and Q you will observe there is a formation of four angles. At a point P there are four angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And at a point Q also there are four angles, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8, angle 5 and angle 8. Here four angles are at P and four angles are at Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 angles made by the transversal of two lines. And here there are different names for the angles here. So the first one is exterior angles. So what are exterior angle made by the transversal of two lines? Here L is a transversal, intersect the lines M and N at P and Q. The exterior angles, the angles which are outside the lines M and N. Here the angles 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angles because they are outside the lines M and N. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. Exterior angles as they are outside the lines M and N. Again let us come to the interior angles. And the angles which are inside the lines M and N. Here which are the angles inside? The angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. These are the lines which are the angles between M and N. So they are interior angles. They are between the lines M and N. They are inside the lines M and N. So they are called interior angles. So which angles are interior angles? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. Interior angles. So you got here 4 interior angles and 4 exterior angles. Exterior angles are outside the lines M and N. Interior angles are inside the lines M and N. Next, some pairs of angles are there when a transversal intersect two lines. They are pairs of corresponding angles, pairs of alternate angles, pairs of in that alternate interior angles, and pairs of alternate exterior angles, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These are the different types of pairs of angles formed when a transversal intersect two lines here. First pair is pair of corresponding angles. Second, here there are four pairs of alternate angles and they are classified as pairs of alternate interior angles, pairs of alternate exterior angles, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal. What they are? So let us discuss one by one here. First one is pairs of corresponding angles. Pairs of corresponding angles. Here you observe angle 1. First pair, let us have angle 1 and angle 5. Here this and this. That is one pair of corresponding angles. And second one, angle 2 and angle 6. That is the second pair. Similarly, here angle 1 and angle 5 are on the one side and they are above the lines M and N. And also here on this side, on the other side of the transversal, angle 2 and angle 6 are on the above of the lines M and N, and they are corresponding angles. Next here, we will have two more pairs which are below the lines. Third one, see the angle 4 and angle 8. They are the angles on the same side of the transversal and they are below the lines M and N. Here angle 4 is below the line M and angle 8 is below the line N. So you take the next third pair is angle 4 and angle 8. Next fourth one is angle 3 and angle 7. So they are angle 3 and angle 7. Angle 3 and angle 7. Here they are also on the same side of the transversal and they are below the lines. Here above the lines you will get two pairs of corresponding angles. Below the lines also you will get two pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 is one pair of corresponding angles and angle 2 and angle 6, that is the second pair of corresponding angle. Similarly angle 4 and angle 8 and also angle 3 and angle 7, you will get four pairs of corresponding angles when a transversal intersect two lines here. When a transversal intersect, you will get four pairs of corresponding angles. Next, let us go the pairs of alternate interior angles. Pairs of alternate interior angles. You know the interior angles. Which are the interior angles here? You know that 3, 4, 5, 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angles as they are inside the lines. Now among that there are two pairs of angles, two pairs of interior angles which are alternate. So you will have this angle 4 and angle 6 here. Angle 4 and angle 6, they lies on the different sides. One is the angle 4 is below the line of M and angle 6 is above the line M, above the line N. So 4 and 6 is one pair of alternate interior angles. Similarly 3 and 6, angle 3 and angle 5 here, angle 3 and angle 5 is the another pair of alternate interior angles. So here how many pairs of alternate interior angles? Two pairs. One pair is angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6. And second pair is angle 3 and angle 5 here. Here 4 is, here 4 and 6 are on both the sides of the angle transversal. They are the angles on both the sides of the transversal, but one is below the line M and other one is above the line N. Here also angle 3 is below the line M and angle 5 is above the line N, but they are not on the same side of the transversal. They are on the different side of the transversal. Above and below you will get, and also they are on the different side of the transversal, and they are two pairs of alternate interior angles. They are two pairs of alternate interior angles. Now let us go to the next pair of angles, that is pair of alternate exterior angles. Pair of alternate exterior angles. Here the angles must be exterior angles, and one side, one angle, that is on the above one line and the other angle below the other line, but they must be on the either side of the transversal, not on the same side of the transversal. They are on the either side of the transversal. So here angle 1 and angle 7. Angle 1 and angle 7. They are alternate angles. They are alternate exterior angles. What is the speciality? They are on both the sides of the transversal. They are exterior angles. They are on the both the sides of the transversal. If you have the transversal L here, and one is above one line and the other one is below the other line. Here angle 1 and angle 7 are on either side of the transversal L, and angle 1 is above M and angle 7 is below N. Next, second one is, you can make out this 2 and 8. 2 and 8, that is angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 2 and angle 8 are the alternate exterior angles. That is one pair of, that is also one pair of alternate exterior angles. So you will get two pairs of alternate exterior angle. One pair is here, angle 1 and angle 7, and second pair is angle 2 and angle 8. So you got two pairs of alternate exterior angle here. Next, let us go to the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Next, you know, here there are four interior angles, and they are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. But here the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Transversal is L here, and same side means you will get 4 and 5 and 3 and 6. One pair is 4 and 5 and the other pair is 3 and 6. Here you will get two pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. When a transversal intersect two lines, you will get two pairs of interior angles which are on the same side of the transversal. So you will have two pairs. What is that? Angle 3 and angle 6. Second, angle 4 and angle 5. Here 3 and 6 are on one side. Angle 4 and angle 5 are on the other side. So you will get two pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. And also you may have the pairs of vertically opposite angle. Naturally, when two lines intersect, you will get two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Here 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. Four pairs of vertically opposite angles are there. In this way, here you got the different types of pairs of angles formed when a transversal intersect two lines. interior angles on the same side of the transversal are also referred to as consecutive interior angles or allied angles or co-interior angles. So here they are also called what? Consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles, and also they are also called allied angles or co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. These are the words used for the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. One more special thing that you can observe here, many times we simply use the words alternate angles for alternate interior angles. Here if there are alternate interior angles, in that case sometimes we are using the word only simply alternate angles. Alternate angles means they are nothing but alternate interior angles. So instead of using the words alternate interior angles, we may use the word alternate angles only.